Hello and welcome back. The third step is to join the database with the Word document. So this is your Word document, this is your invitation. So what we need to do is join this document, which is your invitation, with your Excel document. So how do we do that? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to your Word document, go to mailings, okay, mailings there, click on mailings, click on select recipients, who do you want to receive your letter, and then click on use existing list because you've already got an existing list of people. Okay, and then you've got to find your Excel database. Now my Excel database is on downloads, it's in Edward database, so I click on that and I click on open. I'll get this, click on OK, and now I've linked this Word document with this Excel sheet. And how do I know that? Well, what I can do is go to insert merge field and I'll see these 5 details. Now these first name, last name, address, suburb and postcode, these come directly from the first row. Right? So the first row of headings is what is taken to your Microsoft Word. So in Microsoft Word you have the first row of headings. This is why in Excel the first row needs to be just the headings and not the data. The data comes after the first row. Okay, so now that you've got that, instead of dname I can actually insert the name by here, insert merge fields, first name, space, insert last name. And I can see that this works while I preview result, John Smith. Where does that come from? John Smith here. If I then click on this to step 2, then this becomes Jane Doe here. So you can keep on going like this for a while. You should have at least 10. Right? Just for you should be able to click more than 10. I cannot because I've only got 2 here, but you should have 10 lists of friends' names. Now your names, remember, has to be unique, so no other person in the class should have those names. Now if you're happy with your invitation, now this one is just terrible and you shouldn't be happy with something like this, but if you're happy with your invitation looks pretty and the names are fine, then you can of course finish and merge these documents together. Now please bear in mind that you can actually change these words by with fonts, so you can actually make them bigger, right? And you can change the way they look. Okay, now if I now want to if I'm now happy with these things and I want to finish off, I finish and merge. I click on finish and merge, and this will print and I'll click on edit individual documents. This means that I will have a file of all the letters. Now you should have 10 letters. I've got 2 because I've only got a list of 2 names and addresses. So I click on finish, edit individual documents, and I want all the records, both the records. I click on OK, and I've got both of them. So I've got the first one, John Smith, second one, Jane Doe. Okay, and now I save my documents as in downloads. I want to save it as my merge, my guest list. So Edward name and then just guest list. Okay, so remember your guest list file should have 10 letters. Save. Okay, so you should have 10 letters. I've got 2, but you should have 10. And that's pretty much part 3 done. Okay, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you next time.